In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Elementor WordPress. Whether you're fine-tuning your website's design or experimenting with new layouts, occasionally you might make a change that doesn't quite turn out the way you envisioned. Thankfully, with Elementor and WordPress, you have a simple and effective way to undo your last action, bringing convenience and peace of mind to your design process. Imagine you're adjusting a widget's size, swapping an image, or altering your text's font, and suddenly realize that it doesn't look as good as planned. There's no need to worry. Elementor, much like other design and editing software, offers a straightforward undo feature that allows you to effortlessly revert to your previous state. This way, you can freely experiment with your creativity without fear of making irreversible errors. Let's walk through the process. It's incredibly simple, yet it's one of the most powerful tools you'll have at your disposal. If you're working on a Windows computer, you'll want to press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. This familiar command instantly undoes your last action. It's the same command you might use in various software programs, ensuring that there's no learning curve to becoming proficient in using this function in Elementor. If you're on a Mac, there's no need to feel left out. You can achieve the same result by pressing CMD followed by Z. It's the equivalent of Ctrl+Z on Windows, and it works seamlessly, ensuring that Mac users also have the ability to quickly undo any adjustments that didn't go as planned. This undo feature not only applies to major changes, but is equally effective for those small tweaks you might reconsider. By using this simple keyboard shortcut, you can significantly streamline your workflow, saving precious time and avoiding unnecessary hassle. The freedom to experiment and easily revert makes the creative process far more enjoyable and efficient. Remember, the idea behind using this function is to empower you to explore different design ideas without the constant fear of making mistakes. Elementor provides this feature as a part of its user-friendly interface, making sure that even non-tech-savvy users can make professional-grade designs with absolute confidence. We hope this quick tutorial empowers you to take full advantage of the agility offered by Elementor's undo feature. By integrating this simple trick into your design routine, you're setting yourself up for a smoother and more enjoyable editing experience. Now you can continue building beautiful, responsive websites with the peace of mind that no change you make is set in stone. Enjoy creating and experimenting with the confidence that you can always step back and try a different approach. Happy designing!